folks, welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. Today I'm in a mood to make laddus. Okay, nothing complicated but something very simple. One is a Biscoff Laddu. Everyone must be wondering why I'm making Biscoff all the time. I love Biscoff. So yeah, one is a Biscoff Laddu, another one is a Brain Superfood Laddu. So the second Laddu is by Dr. Ryan Fernando. This is a Super Brain Laddu. I saw this in YouTube shorts and I thought, okay, let me also try this, and it is going to be handy for our kids. So let's crack on with it. So first dish is Biscoff Laddu, and for that let's look at the ingredients. Biscoff biscuits, desiccated coconut powder, condensed milk, ghee, almonds, milk, Biscoff spread. Let's add 15 Lotus biscuits. Let's crush the biscuits now. So our biscuits are finely crushed. Now add 3 teaspoons of ghee. To this we are adding 57 grams of coconut powder, the desiccated coconut powder. Lightly toast them until the fragrance of the coconut comes out. Okay, we are almost there. Now what we'll do is add the crushed Biscoff cookies into this. Mix this really well. The cookie crumbs and the desiccated coconut are well combined. Now let's switch off. Time to add 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Add 3 teaspoons of milk as well. Combine this really well and make this into a nice dough. To this I am adding in a teaspoon of Biscoff spread. Oh my God. Okay, give Pushpa, thank you. So Pushpa has crushed some almonds. I'm going to add that here. Now we'll make this into beautiful Biscoff balls. Our second dish is Super Brain Laddu by Dr. Ryan Fernando. As I said earlier, this I saw it in a YouTube short and I thought, okay, let me give it a try. Of course, we all have children at home. You can definitely make this and give them. It's very good for their brain, their eyesight. So let's give it a shot. The ingredients for this are flax seeds, chia seeds, pistachios, walnuts, dark chocolate, dates. Okay, for this I have taken 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of pistachio, half a cup of walnuts, and that's it. Let's toast this lightly. This will release the oils in the nuts. I toasted these nuts under 1 minute. Add the nuts and flax seeds. So this is our mix. To this we are going to add 3 pitted dates. Add dark chocolate to this, maybe 2 small slabs. Okay, let's crush this now. And that's a wrap. Our 2 awesome laddus are ready. Okay, I tasted a little bit. Now let's check this. The healthy one, super brain laddu. Nice. You should definitely give your kids because it has a lot of good nutrients, and I think it's just wonderful. Bye bye. Do give this laddus a try and let me know in the comment section how you like them. Your kids are going to love it. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. I made 2 laddus. Our 2 laddus. And that's a wrap. Our 2